Okay, last time I had this apart, remember I said it was too darn cold out. For the past few days it's been below 30 Fahrenheit, which makes it in the up to -10 centigrade range. But today it is a nice sunny day. I think we're hitting about 40, which makes it 6 to 8 degrees centigrade. And let me drop my oil can on the thing here. So after rechecking the assembly of the HM1, it's time to try this again. I have the purple fuel tank I built out of the old gunpowder canister here, but I have not filled it nearly as full as I did the last time, so hopefully it will not be automatically flooding everything. I've also checked the head gasket fit, and so we shall see. I also got the thinner start rope that came with the HM1 instead of using the fatter rope that came with the other engines. It is comically long though, so we'll just be pulling shorter on it. And I already checked it for spark. So I'm hoping with a quarter turn okay. Well, let's okay, we got a pop out of it, so that's a good sign. Let's see now. Let's try opening up the needle a couple notches there. Can't decide if it's too lean or too rich, so I'm just opening it up a little bit at a time here. Aha! I think we're at about a half turn there. since it's running. Get some water in there. Oh no. I may have opened it up a bit much there. Let's try again. Alright, I am going to disable the hit and miss detent and see if we can just get it to run. Shut the needle valve down all the way. Okay. It did flood out real bad. Okay, let's see if we can get that to clear up a little bit. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I opened it up too much while I was the first time I started it. Alright, needs to be just a little further open. Alright, we're going to not touch that anymore since it is running, and we're going to try and let it run in for a bit.